So first of all, I just want to say thank you for watching yesterday's video. I'm trying something in a little bit of a new style, so I appreciate your patience while I learn that style. Next, I want to say thank you guys for answering the poll that I posted a couple days ago. The next fight scene challenge I'm doing is going to be during the winter break. So make sure you guys leave your comments below with when your winter break is, because I know some of you guys still go to school. Leave the dates down below and I'll pick somewhere in between so everybody can participate. The next announcement I want to make is that I'm actually making a weekly fight review series. It's going to be kind of lighthearted, so if you guys want to send me something to react to as far as to laugh at, or if you want me to break something down from a movie that you've seen, or if there's any fight scenes that you've done yourself, send them my way, leave them in the comments below, or tweet them at me, and I will watch those links in next week's video. Oh, and another thing before I start answering these questions, I also want to tell you guys about an awesome fight scene I did with the YouTube channel called Danny Motion. He's actually from Australia, he's a stunt guy and a filmmaker, and we recorded a fight scene together. So here's a little teaser.
Perhaps you should learn some yoga.
I'm going to leave the links to that in the description. Make sure you go leave them some love and subscribe. So I actually asked you on YouTube and on Twitter to ask me questions that you had. So I'm going to answer those really quickly and I will answer more in the next video. Now the first question is on Twitter, comes from Colin Squire. He asks, has there ever been any stunts that have pushed your boundaries? Yes. Stunts itself pushes your boundaries. There's a reason it's called stunts and why we get paid money to do the things that we do, because it can put us in danger and it's always pushing our boundaries. Now having said that, there's some days that are easier, some days that are harder. Maybe once every 6 months or so, I find myself doing something that kind of like scares me. But those days pay for the ones between where I just might show up to set and do a gunfight or like fall over. And one of the stunts that has scared me in the past was this 50-foot wire jerk going backwards, because I had a camera crane following me really close. I was going between pillars and I couldn't see where I was going because I was going backwards. So that was one of those times where it pushed my boundaries to just trust my instincts, and after the first take, everything was fine. So the next question comes from my brother Roman. How dank are your memes? I don't know, Roman, you tell me. Bitch, lasagna, bitch, lasagna. 27 years old, everybody. Next question comes from Ali Buys Production. He says, hey Rustic, I want to create a fight scene, so any tips? Yes, Ali, I actually have several fight scene tutorials on this channel if you want actual tips on how to shoot, choreograph, and edit fight choreography. But basically, if you're asking me like how to get a group of people together, what I would say is you start off by writing your idea out. You know, if you want to fight somebody or you want to film 2 people fighting, you still need 3 people, 1 camera and 2 guys, you know, or girls fighting. So what you want to do is, if you don't have anybody yet, just write out your idea, stuff you want to try, have it edited like on paper, like when you write it in your head. That way you know what to shoot. And also, if you have an idea worked out like that, it's very easy to get people to come help you on your projects, because they see initiative, they see somebody's committing, and there's a plan. So if you don't have anything else, get a plan together. The doors will open to you if you get the ball rolling in that direction. Now, Melvin Alcanzar asks, hey Rustic, any tips on creating choreography for an actress with no fighting experience? What throws or counters work well to sell that she can fight without any landed blows? So now, first I want to say, if you can talk to the actress and find out what her background is athletically, if she's done any sports or fitness or even martial arts, if she has like some sort of background, you can talk to her in that language and just kind of mold whatever you want to teach her based on her experience. That way, like if she's done softball, for example, she twists, you know, she's gonna probably do a lot of movement like this, which is really good. But either way, just find a way for the actress to loosen up, find their language. As far as actual moves, I would teach her some straight punches, some hooks, and how to defend in different ways, and also how to duck. And then between those moves, between punches and ducks and hits, you can work through a bunch of stuff. And if you want to like get a throw in there, I would recommend the judo throw, Tai Tosh. All she has to do is turn, land in her position, and if you get the guy that she's fighting, which is actually the most important part, if you can get him to be somebody that does have some experience, then he's gonna make the actress look great. There's a common misconception, you know, when you watch movies, you think that the main character is a badass and better than everybody, and the actor is good at what he does and everything. But the reason that works so well is because everybody around, they actually knows how to fight and fall, and their job is to make the person look good. So yeah, get a stunt person to fight her, give her some simple choreography, and ask her about her background. All right, so the last question today comes from Lucky Luke on YouTube. He asks, how to cover somebody jumping and falling onto a table? This is actually a really good question, because I did this stunt on a Smosh video once. And there's a couple ways to film this. Basically, you just put a mat under the table and you can have a person go onto the pad and you could frame out the pad. So whatever way you do for the actual crash to the table, you just go really low with the camera looking up so you don't see the pad, have the guy go through. Or if you do want to see the ground, if you have a stunt performer that's really good at it, he wants it for his reel or something, you're going to want to see the hit. Obviously have them like maybe pad up, put a back pad and some elbows and maybe some hip pads. And obviously if that's what's happening, if you have like a professional stunt performer, then I would recommend covering it to where you see the ground, because that's what you're paying for, you know, that's what you want to see. And that's what they would probably want to put in their reel. So in that case, just figure out your last frame, wherever it ends, like what looks nice, and then kind of work your way back. If you're going to be doing it handheld, all in one shot where the guy lands, or if you're just going to cut anyways, you know, make sure you give him like a nice wide frame to show the ground. Alright guys, so that was a really quick video, really quick Q&A. Hopefully you're enjoying this content that I'm trying to do more often. I really appreciate your feedback on the comments down below. Remember, send me your fight scenes for fight review, and I will watch those next week. I appreciate some funny ones if you can send them my way. Also, whatever you make, or if something you've seen in a movie that you want me to talk about. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I gotta go watch some more PewDiePie and Voice Over Pete, so I'm gonna go do that. And you guys, I'll see you on the next video. Peace.